breakfast is served.
Oh, you need a pet, don't you?
Are you a Turkish kitty?
Oh,
Are you a Turkish kitty?
you need someone to pet, man.
It's a high-end local food place with a view. Once in a while we do this. Show you what we mean by a expat restaurant, although this is probably more local. So here's our Turkish breakfast with a view. Girl not included, yeah, BYL, bring your own. Look at that, not a bad view, huh? So we're staying in an area called Midtown. Let's see if I can point it out to you. See that open area over there, like a center? It's just one block past that. And it's a beautiful area, restaurants, coffee shops. It's a beautiful city. Cheeses, walnuts, olives. Very Mediterranean. What do you think was going to happen? Very nice. Breads, black tea.
So, is this your first time having this breakfast, Turkish breakfast?
I'm not normally a breakfast person, so I don't recall ever having a spread like this for breakfast in Turkey, or dinner for that matter. Normally it's an entree of some kind, and not all of this meze, if you will, or however you call it. Very nice. So this is $15 per person. I think $15.75 to be exact. So the tomb of Amitas is located on the mountainside above the city of Fethiye, Turkey. It was built in 350 BC and was named after the Greek inscription on the side, which reads Amitou Tau Imagu, which means the son of Amitas, or Amitas, son of Hermagius. The tomb was built by the Lycians and the Persian Empire. The Lycians were a tightly knit confederate of independent city-states, including Telmosus, which is now known as Fethiye, where we're standing. There's a gate over here. You can pay €3 to go up and get a closer look at this one up there. But pretty much everything else you can see. And we don't want to wait in that line just to go and get a closer look at one of them when the more interesting, bigger ones are right next to the street. You like walking these sort of back area neighborhoods, so you can kind of get a feel for the place. There's really nice neighborhoods and very old neighborhoods, and so we like to give you a feel for the different places in the city.
Okay, okay, I know.
This is the bazaar. Chung wants to go in here and show you some of the local kind of crafts and stuff. In tourist areas like this, you always see precious stones and jewelry because the people that have discretionary income, you know, travelers will often buy stuff like that. So this is the Fethiye ancient theater. It's from the Hellenistic period, built in the 4th century BC, and still hosts live performances today. It's a Greek or Roman amphitheater. I don't know if you can tell, but towards the top a lot of those seats have been replaced, but the lower levels you can see those are the old ones. And that kind of work is very expensive to do nowadays. That's why you don't see construction like this in building anymore.
Hello everyone. After 2 buses from Bodrum, we arrived here in Fethiye. It's quite a long way here, and I would like to show you my beautiful apartment in Fethiye. Starting from here is our door, entrance door, and this is our bedroom. It's 1 bedroom. So let's see how is the view here. I couldn't find, but it's a balcony here that you can see. And this is a bed. Yeah, I know it's funny, the washing machine is inside here. I have 1 AC, and this is our kitchen, a kitchen area. It's very cool. Have everything. It also have this is a dishwasher. Cool. Have microwave here. Have thing to cool. Cool. It's good. And the next one is this is the toilet. So there's a toilet here. It's very clean. These places also have water heater. The plate and the cup is at here. Very cute. And this is our living room. My boss is over there.
Living like a king.
This is den. And we also have TV here. And a second AC here. Wow, it's very beautiful.
Yeah, it's a walkable area of town. Cars can't even go on our street. You got all sorts of shopping.
Yeah, we are in walking street. This Airbnb is in the walking street, and here you can see down. So car cannot come inside here. Very cool. Very cool, right?
I love it.
Yeah, it's time for lunch.
Let's do lunch.
We arrived in this Fethiye and we come here for our lunch. It's very local feeling here. This the lunch, and they have all the pricing is already right down, you know. It's very nice. Like this place. When we arrive here, we already feel much better. It's more local life here.
Yeah, feels like you could live here.
Yeah.
Our first meal in Fethiye
Fethiye.
is stuffed peppers,
With rice.
grape leaves wrapped brown rice, green beans, and a salad. And we don't know what it costs yet or what it tastes like.